Hello students, let's learn an important topic in organic chemistry, that is about Markovnikov's rule. So what is Markovnikov's rule? The rule states that when an addition of HBr to unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part of the addendum gets attached to the carbon contains lesser number of hydrogen atoms. So this is the statement. Here the reaction between unsymmetrical alkene and HBr, so that reaction followed Markovnikov's rule. So according to Markovnikov's rule, this reaction takes place. So let's see what is the reaction. So an example of unsymmetrical alkene is propene. So CH3, CH double bond CH2. So this is an example of unsymmetrical alkene. So what is an unsymmetrical alkene? If it is CH2 double bond CH2, this is ethene. This is also an alkene, but it is a symmetrical alkene since similar groups are attached on the double bond. So here different groups are attached on the double bond. So if there are different groups on both sides of the double bond, it will be an unsymmetrical alkene. So if there are similar groups attached on both sides of the double bond, it will be a symmetrical alkene. So we are taking propene here, that is an unsymmetrical alkene. So the reaction takes place here since it is an addition reaction. So the reagent is HBr. So the reagent is HBr, or the addendum or the adding molecule is HBr. So normally halogen acids means HCl, HI, HBr. In all these cases, the same reaction or the same kind of reaction will take place, but commonly we are taking HBr. So HBr is a common reagent used. So HBr is the addendum or the adding molecule. So according to this rule, the negative part of the addendum, so we know H plus and Br minus is there, and the negative part is Br minus or Br. So this Br minus or Br will go to the carbon contain lesser number of hydrogen atoms. So in this case, this carbon contains one hydrogen atom and this carbon contains two hydrogen atoms. So according to Markovnikov's rule, the negative part will attach to the carbon contain less number of hydrogen atoms. So the product will be CH3, CHBr, and hydrogen will be attached to the next carbon, that is it will be CH3. So anyway, an addition reaction takes place to an alkene. Since it is an unsaturated compound, addition reaction will take place, but if it is an unsymmetrical alkene, we need a rule, that is Markovnikov's rule. So according to this rule, the negative part will go to the carbon contain less number of hydrogen atom, and the positive part will definitely attach to this carbon. That means it is having more number of hydrogen atom. So the product or the major product will be like this, that is it is 2-bromo, it is 2-bromopropane. So the product will be 2-bromopropane. So bromine atom is attached to the second carbon atom, so it will be 2-bromopropane. So this is the reaction between an unsymmetrical alkene and HBr according to Markovnikov's rule. So the rule states that the negative part of the addendum means adding molecule. So HBr is the adding molecule here that gets attached to the carbon contains lesser number of hydrogen atom. So we are considering these two carbon atoms since it is a double bond, and this carbon is having lesser number of hydrogen atoms. So bromine will be attached to this carbon and hydrogen will be attached to this carbon. So the product will be 2-bromopropane.